The Ranger Block 3 spacecraft included solar panels, an omni and high-gain antenna, mid-course motor, electronics, batteries, and the television subsystem. The TV subsystem contained 6 cameras. Launch of the Ranger missions was accomplished by an Atlas-Agena combination from Cape Kennedy. After separation from the Atlas booster, the Agena and spacecraft combination entered a parking orbit from which the spacecraft and Agena were injected on a lunar trajectory.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The mission of the Block 3 Ranger flights was to obtain television pictures of the small-scale topography in selected areas of the lunar surface, which would benefit science and the manned lunar program. On July 31, 1964, 1,120 kilometers, NASA's Ranger 7 spacecraft, 576 kilometers, impacted the moon in a pre-selected target area. Camera B provided valuable oblique views. 9 minutes to impact. Altitude, 608 kilometers. Impact. During the last 17 minutes of flight, the spacecraft transmitted back to Earth more than 4,000 pictures of the lunar surface.